Hey guys, I'm Nathaniel here with this possessed ghost that's possessing him right now. Back with another video, and today I'll be telling you the ghost of the Dog Hotel. Okay, so I got this story from my friend. Let's begin. There was a rich boy. He was a rich young child. He had a very decent amount of money, $2 million, plus of what he bought, which is a very high quality yacht. He got 3 yachts. He got 2 hotels. He got a hotel that he bought that he lives in. He got 3 dogs. He got a second house mansion. And, mini mansion, kind of. It's 5 floors, and it's like... Okay, so, let's get on. So, he had guards all around the house. One day, he took his dogs out, put them in the back, left them there to engage in some activities, and, well, let's just say some selling lemonade. Okay, sorry guys that there's like a little noise in the background. My parents are watching a movie, so if there's any bad words, I will exit that out of the video. So you guys will hear like a beep instead. So he took his dogs out. He had guards in the front yard, in the backyard, on the roof, and all throughout the house. So one day, he heard after he took his dogs out, he heard a loud thump. He thought it came from the front of his yard, and it did. So he went out, and okay, I want to turn on the lights, guys, actually. So he went out, okay. That's better. So he went out, and he took his dogs out, and he went out to the front yard, and he saw 3 dead guards just laying there, blood all over it. If you saw his driveway when that happened, you would think he just painted it red. He went back inside, mourning his loss. He sat down and drank a cold drink of water. He heard another loud thump. He thought it was coming from inside the house, and for some reason, it did. I don't know why. You guys will be as confused as me at the end of the story. It's really creepy. So, throughout the house, he found 9 dead bodyguards, all just scattered on the floor. Now you'd think his house and walls and floors and everything were made of blood. Well, he painted it a red color, but he didn't. He went up, now he went back down. Morning's like probably now 12 losses. He sat down and just tuned into the news to, see what was going on in this world. Okay, that was a bad word. So I hope you guys didn't hear that out when I edit this. I'll just watch it and all. So where was I? Oh yes, he went to the roof because he thought that was where it came from. And once again, he found 6 dead bodies. But the weird thing is, there were 7 guards. He looked over the edge, and he found the 7th just laying on the floor. Well, laying on the ground. So, he was starting to get suspicious. And more words. So he pushed Oh, well, he thought somebody was in the house or anywhere. Seriously, movie, you have a problem. I really hope that you guys can't hear this, the movie. I hope you guys can hear this tale. And then, okay, so where was I? Yes, he went down, mourning even more losses. He sat down, he sat down and had a cup of tea. You know, more beverages and stuff. I don't know if tea is like a beverage. I mean, you drink it, so like, what would happen? Okay, you just leave a comment and say if like tea is a beverage or just some drink, 'cause I don't know the difference. So finally, he heard that something was coming from the backyard. He thought it was, of course. Now there were actually, I believe, 4 bodyguards. He found, okay, another bad word. I'm sorry guys, this movie is really loud. Okay, more bad words. Okay. This is really loud. Okay, so I'm gonna try to talk really loud so that you guys can hear me. He went out. He found the 4 bodyguards dead, and he only found 1 dog. Of course, the dog was dead. And he went. Well, he was looking for his other dogs because, of course, he loved them more than anything. And there was a woods behind his backyard, and there was a pathway leading to it. He went to the woods. He came across a lot of spooky things, but I'd say the most spooky thing that everybody knows about this tale, you'll hear next. He found his dog. Well, one of his dogs. Well, both. Okay, let's switch it up to both of his dogs on a giant rock. And behind them, the legend says that that there was a giant like a ginormous monster. And this is why this is a myth and it's not true. He never had the time to tell people. Do you know why? Because he was dead. Apparently he died. Nobody ever found his body, but they know he died. And it says that every Halloween, on a new moon, on every Halloween, because then it's the darkest time. It's a new moon. Maybe some people have seen the creature and the dogs. The dogs are now ghosts, people say. And a lot of people, they believe that, okay, did you guys see? Okay, I thought I saw something right here, like a swing in and out. Okay, that is okay. Okay, so people know for a fact that if it's true, the dogs are ghosts. Because one person has made it out alive. Do you know how they know that this person exists, or this rich boy exists, or that this person who survived it is not just making it up to get attention? We know because the giant creature and his dogs are right behind you. Goodbye. Oh no, he's right behind me. Okay, so bye guys. Happy Halloween. I'll probably tell a couple more like ghost stories that I've heard. I've heard a bunch of them, but I think this video is at 9 minutes and 17 seconds. So see you guys later. Please like and subscribe, and bye. Peace.